In this video, I'm going to show you the correct way of copying and pasting your document from ChatGPT into a Word document. So I have here a document that I've generated, and as you can see, it has some headings and subheadings. So if I go ahead and use this copy function here, which is available, and copy it, then go ahead and open a Word document like this and then paste it here. However, the problem is that the headings have not been captured, and as you can see, they are just sentences, and I'd like to change this. So sometimes it may appear even with asterisk, and you will find the headings, sometimes they have asterisk, and with that you'll find that it has lost its format. So if you're having an issue with losing the format of your document, then let me show you the best way to copy and paste your document here. So instead of using the copy button here, one of the best way of copying all the document without losing its format is just to go ahead and I'll highlight this up to the beginning, and here it is, and then go ahead and just right click on it and copy, or just use a combination of Control key and C on your keyboard to copy. And then when I come here, we can now go ahead and paste it, and as you can see here, we have the pasting options that will give us headlines, and as you can see, the headlines are now much bolder. We have quite a number of them, so I'll use the first one here. If we use this, look at that. Now the headings are distinct. You can see these are heading, and also we also have another subheading here. This is a subheading, and this is a heading. Look at that with the different font size. So unlike in the first scenario where we lost the formatting of headings, in this method we have retained all the headings and the formattings of the document. So that's how you can easily copy and paste a document from ChatGPT to Word document. So if this helped you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.